In this video, we'll give you a quick overview of Cricut Smart Materials and how they work with Cricut Maker 3. Included with your machine are samples of Smart Vinyl, Smart Iron-On, and Smart Paper Sticker Cardstock. There's also a sheet of transfer tape for vinyl applications. Cricut Smart Materials simplify the making process because they load directly into your machine without a cutting mat. This is a really cool new feature. Let's make a simple single-color vinyl project. From the Design Space canvas, we'll select Projects, then search Bear. We'll choose this bear head water bottle project and put it on a tumbler. Now that we have selected it, we will click Make It at the bottom of the screen. Now we'll select Without a Mat since we're using Cricut Smart Vinyl. Looks good on Mat Preview, so we'll hit Continue. Then we'll select Smart Vinyl Permanent here. And now it's time to load. You'll notice here that Design Space will always tell you what to do and when. It walks you through every step. You just follow the prompts. Hold the material against the machine rollers as you position your material against the left mat guides. Then press the flashing Load button. Once it's loaded, press the flashing Go button. Once the cut's complete, unload it like this. Now, trim the excess vinyl. This will help to correctly size your transfer tape after we've weeded the vinyl. Weeding is a crafting term for removing the pieces you don't want. Once it's fully weeded, grab some transfer tape. Cut a piece roughly the size of your design. Remove the liner and carefully position the transfer tape on top of your vinyl, just like that. Always make sure the application surface is clean and dry. Once you've placed your image where you want it, work from the center to the edges. Burnish to remove any bubbles. When it's smooth, start at one corner and slowly remove the transfer tape, pulling at an angle. Some people like to use a rocking motion from side to side. Looks great! You'll love working with smart materials. They'll save a lot of time and are so easy to use.